Hamed R said, I've just done a $50,000 reno to an existing property. Do I get a new depreciation report done or do I use my receipts to give my accountant?
Yeah, great question as well. You could do either.
Okay.
And I think when I've guided clients to this, it's been $50,000 if you used a builder and he's come and he's built, a third bedroom off the back or a deck or, a deck and an outdoor laundry. And it's very straightforward. Like 50 grand, this is what I've done. And I wouldn't get that person necessarily to get a depreciation schedule because I can very easily get the right result for the client.
Yeah.
Whereby if they had $50,000 of receipts, like a shoebox of different receipts, and they've had this trade and then this trade and they've done this and they've done this, I think that's a nice time to get the depreciation people out. And also, and I'm hesitating because I'm sure that I'm right. I definitely did this, and I'm pretty sure that depreciation companies don't charge you again to do a redo of your report after you do renos.
So it sounds like Hamed actually had a depreciation report done.
It does in that question, doesn't it?
I think he may need to reach out to the person who did his initial report in that case.
And let them know he's done these renovations and... Yeah, Hamed, I'm pretty sure I'm right, but I don't believe they will charge you. The company that we generally use don't always charge for that rewrite of the schedule due to some renovations.
So I think the first thing would be reach out and talk to the person who did the initial depreciation report, get that done. If you didn't have one done initially, you probably would get one done anyway.
Yeah.
And if they won't redo it without cost, maybe use your depreciation schedule that you have and your receipts with your accountant and ask them.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think that's a great summary.
Yeah, well, that's fantastic. Well, that is all of our questions.
Excellent.
Thank you again for coming in and answering all of these questions. And again, it's just stuff that I look at these questions and think, I don't know the answers to some of these, and I work in this industry every single day. So it's so great to have an expert come in and answer it for our property investors.
Not a problem. It's great fun.
If you think somebody might benefit from this episode about property investing and tax, please feel free to share it. We're also available to watch on YouTube now. You've been listening to This is Property. We've had Leah Hall from Lift Accounting. My name's Rachel Kroon and we'll see you next week.